perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me ni kappa. Now so many friends me.
This afternoon I did broke. So waiting I go chop. It has never happened in my life. I make wide rough. Make a check on it. Maybe I'll find somebody from to call it.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams and you feel like you're losing belief, well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it's
Nana.
It's you.
Hey, what's wrong? Why you look so tense? And it's been a long time since I came here. Why?
Like it's a lot in my head.
A lot?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
It's about the work. I've searched everywhere, searching for someone I can't.
Nana, you have to cheer up, okay? I've already told you that I'm searching for some for you. I've asked my friends to help me find one for you. You'll get one, okay? And you know I love you. Oh my God, I love you the way you are. Whether work or without work, I still love you. So you don't have to be thinking. Nana, are you not looking at me? Why don't I look beautiful today? So small for me, and I bought you something special. A gift. I won't tell you. It's inside the room. You have to go and see it by yourself. Nah, no. You have to go inside so that I can have a look at it.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up.
Boy, me are the boy, you not call the car boy. Mommy flow me say like girl like be make good well, like if they still day like
Sorry, me I be graduate boy.
Nah, my dog forget that graduate and things no. Graduate they take you.
Hey.
You they take graduate you. You all go school some master. Just that you come on like you know like you don't get money for your school like graduate. You then get it, then go do like
me. I wanna do government work. So if I don't get one, I will not work.
How much you get? How much you get?
Yo,
me then you don't get it till like pocket empty. More go do something like for checho.
If it be 1,000 years scrap, we get some.
You know that. You know that.
Charlie, me I make what do.
And I mean then you make what pass. That boy me I say me go do the work. No, like the job is the eye. The son go feed the money then afternoon. I like you take the chicken. You don't know why feed ya.
Charlie, me I want to be like I wanna do government work. So
government work me then you don't get nothing. You don't get. We son you like you all video host. You dey host money tea. I show say the no joke. You no joke. Mo go do like J then forget that. Get it and things. When I get it, get you. Forget, massa. You go pension, like you write this no. You do song, what's sister? No, be 40. Still now you do, now you do job. No go do.
No, can't do that too.
You know go. You know go.
I open up my eyes to the world. I open up my mind to it now. I open up my heart to a girl and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always.
Very good hookup. Who taught you that?
My dad.
Hey.
And usually my mom.
Okay, I see. Hey, but baby, relax.
Baby, I'm hungry. I want that meat.
Take it.
Thanks.
Yo, let me.
Baby, why are you sending the food? Who has spoiled the day for me? I'm very hungry.
Yo, big man.
Yo, my G. Yo, bro.
How far? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Nothing.
really true is I have that.
No,
We're doing some cleaning.
I'm cool, yeah.
Actually,
you know, say me and my shop.
you know, as she says, she's bad ready. I miss the money, I miss the money. But the ready. Say the clean.
Actually,
You know, be clean ready.
yeah.
And the ready. Repeat that with the
Come. Let me tell you something. Let me escort you. I will come home.
I don't go with the baby music. I do ready here. You know, go inside the car.
Let me escort you.
Come.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Take care.
Let me escort you. Don't worry. Come.
Baby, come with you.
Don't worry. Come. Don't worry. No, not yet. I'll come. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. I'll call you. I'll come, man. Yeah, Congo. They come to food.
Otherwise,
Let me see.
remember the G.
Free. They come to food.
Big man.
Hey, Tara. Hello.
Bro.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's in the here?
Bro. Hey, but hello.
I thought you left.
No,
But you said you were going.
But yeah, but don't tell me.
I can't do something.
You can do something.
We
What?
they do want some washing. Yeah.
So you watching this?
Yeah. Don't you know you wash?
Baby, let it.
Hey, I can't make bro.
Give it to me. Yeah.
Bro, like for you.
Oh, that's alright.
I like make serious, make serious.
No.
Mouse. I tried the camera.
Give it to the road. I want
Baby,
Don't use that word, man.
escorting. Please, for this one, you're not invited. Baby, escorting.
Really?
I'm going to say yes.
Oh, bro, it's you.
Oh, I
Bro,
know.
come on.
Next time, okay? You're an escorting. That's your friend. I'm eating. You like I'm here to eat. Baby, are you coming? I'm waiting for you.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might.
Good time. Good afternoon. We have a call. We then can be trauma for him. I did go to cinema. And I'm going to answer. That's the only thing for one, two. Okay. I said when you be a meeting, no chunk of
No, right.
already how they are. Can meet my friends and I mean, they are genocide and they are children.
We are free fan a bed, Janasi, so I saw him in Somali.
Oh, in time me can come saying how far they are.
Hey, okay, I know that.
Okay. Coffee. But you didn't only can.
Aye, I got it.
Yeah, tomorrow. The show any girl be
Oh, there are many girls.
about so sure rich man say pass that one day. I think about the career corner we have on that line. But I mean, I'm coming quite checking cinema, said him be kind now. But as I mean, I'm one day, I mean, I confirm the work. But I don't do an anonymous memoir. But I'm a bit I call for guests and so the
And I must have one. I don't want to forget myself.
So soon, nigga, they say about rich man.
I don't go for years, can I don't blame me, screaming at Kenya. Forget us the attic.
After they meet him, so they are born, so by Jim Quadia.
Okay.
But as I say, oh, the TN said, I say, it's got some who cry, I think I own. Come to Kumawood cinema and said, Americana. But as I made them in the mouth. Oh, but it's got some, the answer being 1.5 for an the amount 1.1.
So 1.5 the other, and it's so mammy.
Yeah, no one, but I may show me a door you made it. To them, I'm in the gun and I'm in chief first.
100. Okay. You are ranting, team. And I cannot miss me go anymore saying, Some share I catch you some girl, more girl. Every free fabric.
Never had me a drum.
Now,
and I'm on the edge more. And now I'm on the edge, my dome comes in.
Charlie way, we join me and find out 17 babies and say, Nana must say, my man saw them crowd. You join number base, I join life for the entry move.
Cinema is out here. And I don't fuck uncle.
I don't carry a tribute you one.
Now, we're drawn for us. I'm one of them that for car now the payment. Oh, they may see a cool time next time.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
No, why you don't see me?
I saw you.
So you saw me, why are you moving? Should you even called me or something?
Nothing.
Oh,
I choose not to.
It's Lumi who?
Is Lumi what?
See if he's home. Like, I want to go and do something.
You're asking for Lumi again.
Yeah,
every day Lumi. If not you, he would rather be looking for you. So you guys Nankasano, can't you find yourself something? I don't want you to be your my man.
Like, at least allow me to explain.
Explain what? It seems that you are spoiling my guy so that he can be lazy as you. Not that. Now for your information, listen to me and listen to me very careful. From today onwards, henceforth, please, I don't want to see you close to my Lumi again, okay? I don't want you near him again, please, I beg you, because I want him to be a responsible man, not a rasta or any. I don't. You see, I'm fed up. I have to go, okay? I'm moving to a friend's house.
Let me tell you something.
No, please, no, please. Bye.
This girl, me the Lumi, we work past like 3 years days. You can't work today, no. You can't sack me. Shit. Or if you come the show, I can't for you should do so. That one put it forget me. I've got today, even I can't host, I can't choke.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place.
Hi, Harry. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm good yourself.
I'm cool.
Oh, okay. Can I have a word with you?
Oh, okay. Let's do this.
It's let me know.
No, he's no.
You should allow him to meet in the sun.
Oh no, I like the way it is now.
Oh, do you know that even I don't match?
What are you trying to say?
Like, let me say womanizer.
Oh please, can you end it there? Why? Every day you want us to be quarreling. Why?
And like, you don't match. Like, let's vibe, eh?
I love my Lumi. I like him and I'm going to stay with him till life do us apart. Okay, do you get me? Find yourself another woman. Okay.
Let me talk. Like, let me explain. I'm the one operating. I know his vibes. Do you remember that I've been telling that like, sometimes me and you get some lights we are going.
No, I'm rather a lady for my Lumi, not you. And what you are doing today, I'll make sure Lumi will hear about this. Let me, I will tell him. I will tell him because he's your friend. Please excuse me.
Oh, hey, this girl, still now, get down. Apostle, get out.
I opened up my eyes to the world. I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares every day.
Hello, excuse me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm also fine.
Okay.
By the way, I'm Jordan and you.
I'm Tara.
Sarah, such a nice name.
Thank you.
You do you know what I'm saying?
That's it.
So, do you live around?
Yeah, we just bait at UGC.
UGC? Oh, yes, yeah.
Yeah.
For how long?
For the past 2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
I mean, who had that?
I'm always indoors.
Oh, I see. Did it be for anybody? Oh.
Yeah, parents I'll see. That's right.
Oh, I see. So, where are you heading to?
I just have one friend down there, so I'm going there to check up on her.
Down there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, you're such a nice girl.
Thank you.
So, are you in a relationship or?
Actually, I'm in a relationship, but you see, it's not stable.
It's not stable. Hey, then the guy is missing something from you.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
That's what people have been saying.
By the way, it's like the time now in home that from that far distance now. Child, me to make sure my own cosa. I'm having a crush on you. That's why I stopped you.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay, that's not a bad idea. But as I've already told you, I'm in a relationship, but it's not stable.
So I might get the chance to knock,
I'm gonna think about it. Okay.
Is that so?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So why don't I take your number before? Oh.
Okay.
Your name again? Tara. Oh,
Tara.
Tara. Okay.
Your last number?
It's 17.
Oh, okay.
My name is Jordan also.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
I'm saying to you.
See you next time.
Okay. Sit down. Tara. Charlie. Yeah, this shit. Charlie, this one is my last chance. I was near hard.
Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love, so we just hold here, I go to scam you.
I got to tell you something.
Hey.
This issue, no, but I have to tell you because you know you are my only sister and the same guy, my friend. Okay, a friend of my guy, the guy that I'm dating.
Yeah, you mean Kwajo?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Kwajo Lumi. His friend has proposed to me, and another guy too has proposed to me. They both have money. They have everything. Like indeed, plenty money. But you see, now Lumi is broke, and even we can't get a job for him. So I don't know what to do. Should I accept them or I should still be with Lumi because we need money.
Then you just shun Lumi.
No, but you know I can't do that. I love him.
So how can you date 3 guys at the same time? Eh?
This time, I don't want to accept them. No, not because of money. I'm going to leave my Lumi. I love him the way he is.
Nothing is going to happen. You think about it.
But what if Lumi find out?
No, he will not come to know about this.
You mean you're not going to tell him?
I promise I will not tell him.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's why you're my true sister. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, now I'm going to think about it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste.
Baby, you see the other time I told you that I need some money. Yeah, the one to repair my phone. Yes, I don't want anyone, I just need to repair it. So I don't want to use my sister's phone to call you again. So you mean I should expect it within 30 minutes time? Oh, okay. I'm waiting for you. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, take care. Love you too. Bye.
So who was that?
Is it not the guy that I told you about?
Oh, the one you last told me.
The other one, not to Miss friend.
Oh, so it's about what money?
Actually, I just need some money to do something. I've already told him that my phone has gotten spoiled, but you know that it has not. I just need the money.
You see, I told you to forget about that broke guy.
Oh,
and
please.
stay with me.
Right, this, I'm having him and I'm getting money, but I'm not going to leave my Lumi because I really love him. When we were inside, he even called, so I'm going to see him, okay? Excuse me. Bye.
So you are leaving me here?
Yes.
Sarah. Hey, and you what? My boy, when you're skinny, no, when the other no. You, yes, you are. I have a share.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting.
Yeah, oh paradise.
Yes, it was a very sad song, but very cool one.
Hope you love it.
Yes, I really like it.
Alright.
Baby,
Yeah.
help me. Bring my hair up, okay, please.
This girl cry.
Please, 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 please.
Everything for my baby. So what's up?
Cool.
Cool.
Yes. Baby, do it nice.
Don't try. This your head there. One in town.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I said, what is going on? I don't tell me that I'm doing anything. Babe.
Yes.
Where am I there? What are you thinking about?
No, I'm just thinking about us, both of us.
No, you're not sure. Tell me. What's wrong? Hey. Babe.
Yeah. Hey.
Are you thinking about the last time what happened to us?
No.
Listen, I'm still on my way. Yeah, I'll find some, so don't worry.
Okay, I know you'll definitely find one. Okay.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're okay?
I'm not thinking about anything.
Okay, see you soon.
See my two boy. Hey, you didn't know now until the echo. Yeah. See my yams. You didn't. See the my boys now, boy. You didn't. You're at the moment. Pass on no you ask me phone me baby phone come me can check what's what you call I'm not going to catch man see I'm in fact down I'm in fact top that my main boy is telling me boy to meet my boy.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Is your friend?
Yeah, Tara, she's in. Tara! Tara!
Yes.
Yeah, come, let me see.
Okay, tell him to wait for me. I'm coming.
Okay, there she comes.
I forgot.
You forgot?
Yeah.
I just got like 10 minutes ago.
I know, I was busy doing something on my phone, so I just forgot. You let me get inside and you get first, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Hello. Yeah, I'm home. You want to come here? Please hold on, I'm coming. You said you want to come here. Oh, you are bringing me surprise. Yeah, I'm home. Okay, I'm waiting for you, okay? Okay, love you too, bye. What am I going to do? I have to try something. Okay, I must do this.
What's happening?
My stomach.
Your stomach. Are you taking any medicine?
Yeah, I will. I have something, so I will. You know something. Go and tomorrow I'll come to your house.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will come. Talk to me, please. Please, I'll come. Won't you hug me?
No.
Why you go?
No, I'm okay.
Tell you what is it?
Can't you see I'm not feeling well?
You're not feeling what? Just now you are not feeling well.
Thank God.
Yeah, look, I knew that you were acting.
Oh, let me think. What?
Me what? So what was that for?
He's coming here.
Who is coming here?
My billionaire is coming here. And he's coming to give me a surprise. So kindly get up. Let's go in and dress up so that the moment he be here, I hope you get me.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let's go. Don't
leave me. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, fine. I'm going to dress because I just want him to see me.
I'll just call you to tell you.
Okay, that's none of my business.
Sarah!
What?
I will tell you.
It's none of my business.
I'm just calling you to tell you.
Okay, fine.
Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect thing, I'll be perfect thing.
She don't travel. What two coin? And I want a bonus. Hey, my man.
The last time I called you and you said you're going to like send some money, so I need some.
Hey, Charlie, let's say I want a bonus. Vlog up, Charlie. Hey, boy, I need you to go watch this.
I don't want boy, are they? I really was this. I don't want to know that.
I don't try to be a friend.
One of me be all.
You didn't come out.
We never met you.
I mean, man, some mutual was this. I mean, my was I was this. And I know case now, and I learned a penny in our sisters and a trouble. I see you, and my next say, you be chum now was this, and I was tired.
And I know some of the was speedy.
The last time you pa, I couldn't know about before me.
Say,
Saturday, I forget being out, the forgets and the mamma. I never forget so on.
Just I don't go chunk crowd.
I'm talking about you are now over the forget Sammy.
Boy, there are some out here. I'm just about to try.
Now you can go cry, you go back around what the machine myself forgets and then forget so on.
One down the dog. What I'm seeing on seeing boy. I'm a straw boy. I'm tired of coming. Maybe my speedy crime in your phone. So I'm a shade Jimmy and Jimmy boy.
Why she guy be a manager?
But I Jimmy follow the pen to West boy.
Boy, I'm the country.
One sitting in my yam cook to grab a
boy, why you lose? Yes, I can catch me.
Buy a few and I'm a tunes that I have phone. You see, I'm catching them.
I say now about boy, some money there for more. Hey, I'll come out now.
I'm a cram of frock or from go.
You're China, my phone is charge. I'm about to home, Miss Corner. But from phone me, I crab every grandma. Hey, I won't be at your phone. They just, hey.
Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect thing, I'll be perfect thing. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love, so we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Ninde de na me jene me pepe. Me chiedi as it de. Me jawa me waku de. Perfect things, I'll be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect thing, I'll be perfect thing. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new...
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
We share some lady.
Some lady. Your friend is it?
Tara.
Tara. I'll be to me and describe now.
Like for to mood to come.
Mr. Minim, do be on your friends. I say, Minim, so no dear.
Oh, wait to opportunity.
Oh, I was like, I'm quite sure what top of her.
Oh, I quite say like you to point on. I think I'm a back. But I think we feel very much. I'm just watching more. So,
there, Mammy could jail, John, we are not for Shani Papa.
Nothing. That's there.
That's all about it. Hey, I'm genuine.
It's not at all.
Oh, from childhood. I see it. Yeah.
Actually, now.
Yo, bro. I don't like to know.
That's amazing. Right. I go. Be in here.
I'm so tired. Okay. Who is there? Where? And that person. I think we should go and check. Yeah. Hello. Who is there? I think we should go and check. Hello. Hello. Do you know? Oh yes, he's my bro. I miss you too, bro. Hey, you're looking very nice. Tell him, let me see.
Thank you.
Oh wow, my brain wire so quick. I see my job.
Hey, no, anybody want to go do what?
Bro, man, I do it. It's been long since we met. So you know, introduce me to your friend. Oh, sorry, dear friend. Bro, he's my friend. Hi, how are you? Nice meeting you. Oh, okay. She's my very good friend. Okay. I stay with her. No, bro, then why you too sweet?
Lifestyle.
My lady.
Okay.
I think we should get inside. Didn't you buy me anything? Okay, let me get it.
Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You are there, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to call her, but I don't reach your line.
Yeah, me too the same. I've been calling her line and it is.
Oh. But you are friends, so you have to know where she's going, like where she is.
She's on vacation at her auntie's place.
And she didn't even inform me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you knew about this.
Nah, I don't.
I'll try and see whether I'll get her auntie's number.
Okay. I'll continue and reach her if I can get her.
Okay. Ah, Lumi.
Sure.
Okay. Say, as a man there, you need to find some job to do. Yeah.
What are you trying to say?
That you don't do anything like just what or bazaar, like see, what dress a car, dress a car, on dress here, and on this car.
Actually, you want to embarrass me or what?
No. Find something to do, and dress well. Okay, bye.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient.
Babe!
What?
Why? You don't see me coming?
No, I didn't.
Hey! You didn't?
Yes.
Stanley, I want to have a word with you.
Can't you make it tomorrow?
No, right now.
Okay. I'm in a hurry.
Like, I don't see the real. Why are you doing this to me?
What have I
You don't
done?
pick my calls. You don't text me back. The last time I came home searching for your friend said you are not there.
Bema, I'm tired of you. Hey, Juma, yeah. Like, I can't care for you anymore. I'm tired. Please.
But you know, I have tried. You two have tried the same.
I know, but I can't. I can't take good care of you again. Just have a look at me. Look at me. Do I deserve to be someone who is going to take care of you? Or am I your mother? I can't.
So all the promise you made, so were you lying or what?
Oh, please, no. You listen to me. I came here in a very good mood, but you spoiled my day for me. Have a nice day.
Babe! Babe!
Yeah, me, that's what it is on it. I said, yeah, bro, when you more than a midget, this one someone in the cruise, a gumo concrete. But still, I made the fame of big cassette and yes, I'm a huno, share the concert. Enter a mirror the best one. Joma Hasada, woman, when I acrobato, when I'm finding who is empty of a family, so make up for a busy can Kayaba, why minutes.
Hey, boy, I say, please see birds grown up when I do. Please grand fun.
Sorry, oh, cap no come about car.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Lumi, watch all my hacker.
Tell you a farmer. I tell you no lie. Yeah, I just said.
I want to down for me.
One time.
Madame for Tara, I'm not fun.
I did I.
Sing yem.
Oh, I started that way.
Last week morning,
Miss my friend now from last week. Now my friend now on picking.
oh, me them so I catch you.
There, I'm cramming team. But I can be beefy.
No, me can't go to a drug run. I'm on banana scanning to see me scan. Baby, I'm scan, so you pan in you. And I'm a dear my coffee. I'm on one, and the man 20 cities. Now me found a drug.
It's scanning me.
20 cities made the cotter journal commando.
By scanning me.
And it was our friend, your Benyabiam.
Her crowning me, madam, from madam from the Korea.
Oh, girlfriend, no.
Then you said Tara by it's a miniscom.
Melko. nya 20 cedis bisa wadam funa uzizi bisa no use scan ni.
Scan ni hu. Nkwa me ka kire no njimili.
Si ana me ka kire tara se nka on.
Senta ka kire tara sare.
Le town we dey win scam.
Senta ka kire tara sare. Si ain't na me ka kire tara sare. So,
wana kwa bera usi jina yare yanko.
Yo. Chari wasi me shot in here.
Oh. Are ta do that way.
Chari wasi last week no. So last week my friend onfa.
Na why not so ko checking up even so na.
So me meaning from last week my friend onfa into me so ya. Anya sa san kama rushing wo fi.
Nti je ona hye ona pedi na no.
Sorry. San ko yiska hotel room so ko ido yiska namba.
Oh, ana wan pa kama.
Chari wa when situation wo yiska be no mo.
At least na mo bisi on ka chim san nya bia na mo lu kakra mo me
Chari when say boys the on bella o ka chem kwa se mejibu on ba. Best star we on time.
So we say me no dey charm. Me say we me nya to complaint. No bu wan kitikiti bu wa me ti wan store mo. Ti ya guys ala to keep your machine on. Bibi any other ma nya we.
The next time, but we didn't remember how check.
I don't need a best idea.
Perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfect.
I him will say beside you. Bro, you are welcome once again. So, how is that, bro?
Well,
you may move away.
okay. Nama umuteninka.
Oh, last week he cried. Almost sending me your
Okay. Yeah, quite say humanitarian ya tamba. Woman ma from Baku.
Yeah, I'm not for him. Me never mo video phone so no this. And even cry last week cause I catch him say my laptop now say no be man for further break.
Let's see school now. You go no for so.
You know, you say the last time catch us matter from see. Yeah, my mom admission, so me hope we say or you better from young boy next month break.
School break.
Like
hey, this is the
bro, so near balance me that why don't I deserve to go to that school?
Yeah, right.
Why not eating? It seems you shine for my brother for now.
No.
Jay. Oh, please.
The number brother
Sorry, dear friend. Better no way.
Say that. I say me no more years am you.
Why?
Man that. I say me man no miss can. I'm doing my me problem.
But say daddy ka sinya mbo next year be ma wa.
I train am.
Ana we nyanko.
Na me train mu. Ba mpese ko be for kwans. Ba o school ni something.
But bro, once you juma na daddy can be say outside ho ni you na scanner so. O pay ni ye chin ha de no. Tinka wo kwa na ma ku school after school na me ne. Madam for na ba. I don't see a good idea. I know him out. Wow, that's why I like you.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you.
Hello, babe. Yes, dear. We went out to buy something. We are heading out to the house. Okay, when I reach, I'll call you. Okay, I love you too. Top kisses.
Hey, we the only order there. He'll break your heart.
Yeah, internal power. Don't say that. I'm not going to get that broken yet.
Yeah, now I'm a member. I'm gonna watch it.
don't kick her.
Nobody's going to break my heart, okay? So hurry up and my dear friend, find yours. Okay.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious.
Perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you, bitch and Judas. With the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends.
Oh, yeah, check out your top way out. The last time I was here for us. Oh, Kobe. I was a family with Madame Funny Jordan. Yeah, she feeling in town. Yeah, check out the top one. And I'm on the crowd. I mean, I'm a fool. Insurance, Metro. Okay, bro. Yo, ciao, man. Yo, so I see your name. I'm queen. And no matter for the crate check out the new morning. I say. And quit you, mamma. So I mean, you are this time now. Hey, the way my book name, so I'm a crowd. And soon on coming to why I'm a trash of crowd. I say, charm, right? Oh, they cut up on my bed. Oh, it's true. I know from one. Oh, it's true. Oh, so I know that. Oh, yeah, no lie.
Yeah, I'm so one yet. I don't want lights one idea. So, of course, Johnny Boy was I doing connection.
Hey, you know, it's every two that's why me chase Karam.
Hey, I'm going to be a movie and I pray.
You
good afternoon. We are recording. As I'm checking live also, as I'm home,
when I say I'm frack,
okay, me name is boy Hayana. As I'm home now, I'm check your swag and all. And some of my halal near there. Yeah, from just to now, so
From Code.
Bye, is there diver? Who if you know? Okay, but as I'm delivery goods on, on snakes and a cloth on. Maybe I also have to do the beer heavy.
That's not because all the amount of the be near.
Okay, with the contact. Found the man. Hey, already home go hard down. Already go to Zanka, they go. The Gemini man, I am a friend.
The metro,
Ankasa.
Be near.
That's you know. Ankasa. Eh, no, go to some boys, I want. When you show that boy, about Kumasi, let's show the office.
Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that's a making. It ain't big enough if it doesn't scare the hell out of you. If that makes you nervous, it's fine. Why save it for sleep when you could be living your day deep?
Hi, Kobe.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. What are you doing on your phone?
I'm chatting with my friends. So.
Okay. Something is new.
Oh, thank you.
Kobe, I want to tell you something.
What? Oh, just talk, can you?
Oh, never mind. It's okay.
Oh, you just talk. Oh.
It's okay.
Feel free and talk.
Yeah, I was coming to ask you, have you seen her?
She didn't inside.
No, I'm just coming from the room and she's not in.
Sir.
Yeah.
I'm going to check it.
No.
Right.
She's not in. Really, I'll be back soon. I'm going out to check something.
Okay. Then take care.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you just fast. I feel good. You look great. I like you. I can't wait. I feel thank you. You're so fine. I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. Sipping it, praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
Kobe, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Oh, bra, me no uncle. Bra.
I'm tired of you.
No, do
Oh, mom and Tom bread.
Yes, nice. Who are why?
Oh, and you,
Bibi how? What I catch him, Bibi how? Yeah, sure. Bibi how they catch him?
I saw many guy in Yakasana, ya break out.
So boys, so we are fucking fine. I didn't see.
Oh, a long story.
Long story. They catch him, didn't see.
Yeah, even Casalita, the country.
See. I say, okay.
I thought you winning home. Ah, grandsons are about Fiano. I said, you so new about Biagino and I'll buy myself.
With their body, their view. Man, I care with you.
Oh, then now person cake. So then me kwaba.
Actually, no.
So you show so soon he gave ya.
Oh, the view leave you. Something like you be Sam. Okay,
Perfecting, I be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I be perfecting.
Skype once and this Skype. No paper. Okay. I'm afraid Gina, the ministry of Castle to lose you. Okay. I'm afraid.
One FM quick.
Hello, Chairman.
Yeah, champion.
Alpha.
Everything cool now, say.
Sure.
Now, I need.
Kobe new boy.
Kobe.
Me na last time we share me on Castle to lose you.
I was for yeah, my car. Now, it's live, so I didn't come over.
As I pop in the number for that tea bar. Or the Tadene sneakers me so that line. So Tongu so they can perceive big deal. But I said, a month no one with me now more. It's say like I can 1,000 be to say you bring your man and that's something to boost me by now. So no better man to be here.
Okay. But the one thing that is candy me see them Madame Brook nigga be anymore. But as a sister now, I'm scared at all. No, across I fucking me. Can't be send me discount.
A boy, and if I send me,
so I can say them and they no be the best send you. Oh, na time when the goods in the bami who they echo.
So it's kind of between the crowd, Muru, no one bit my back.
Ah, okay. So say Muru, the other message on say.
Ah, okay.
But one thing say, mathematics. But one thing is one feeling me.
Ah, well, maybe so. That's all about Tony money now, man.
Ah, I'm American. I just had the idea of mafia until American. Okay, Miss Nema is here. Okay, bye. You didn't come and feel you. Sister, she can down for so be any. So, the money could see a plan and the moon. Dear sister, but we not being low keys and this kind of idea. We want to me and shame. We just come in and eat.
Hey, a bit 2,000.
Hello. Hello, Kobe. My son is here. It's here. No, I check out Saba. Why?
Baba.
Okay. Today be any more no alarm. No money ba no alarm. Why?
Eleven kasa.
Okay, Mati. Bye.
Mati kasa.
See, come here. Okay, been fine.
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah,
Oima. I'm just all about you to see.
Hey, Kobe. Kobe, sao sen yo masa?
You know what? Adieu. Adieu. Sir. Bye-bye. Oh.
Boy, pa, mama na chuma di paasi mi o. Boy o se kobius one na wo memwa wa. O skill kwene ma fa ankoto ma be te kula ma hu se ka di me. Ama me de ama wo 5 gusu bla ne nton asa chuma di. 1000 Ghana cedi. Boy pa, ese mafia na no. Na me frɛ no. O de me frɛ na re so be sa fa. She kokro won fo. See pa dia na mai. Oi pa baby me sheni bia esa me mafia no. Ha. Na menti asi o. Tese mi hu mo no wo abeko tanzo esa me chew de ekọ no wo mafia me. Afi me fe wa wonfa. Baby esa we dey me pe boys ni bi kura baby e be nya ni bi e be mafia na so me am nya no so me mafia.
There.
I want to share down family.
Whole farm. Stand up on moon so that one day. I'm quite you.
I saw me one done.
What's it then?
So me one done.
What done? Which you ma?
Menu.
One on him.
And you.
One name me, Kwabna.
No one.
I never could pen up no here the last time.
Na ba ko pa yo maka cho sem ne be ma foforo hia wo na me no
that's also ya we say ma fa wu
enje ba ne sen na mitimi nyo
eni oni be ma foforo bi na nyima ko hwe ne kira ko
basa me ne be ma foforo bi me ne wa na nyo
aseme na waka ne san
na be say me kan dey pe bibi papa ka kire me ne
ja me pe bibi pa kan cho me no wada ba ko pe wo ka jem so ne menyim And then yummy, why? And yummy, no come.
Na me no wine and you know na nyima wine am na nyi.
Sasa mi kwa de jaika.
Masa be pay bi ha power ka tire mi o. Enti uchi afa mi so akọ.
No person me do am ko.
O me pass papa kan tire mi. Oko. O de ko wa betu me wa anu say. Cause asema akwa.
I opened up my eyes to the world. I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares. Every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough. You're the one whose time I take.
Why, what's wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well. So.
Since last week.
And I don't know about it. Have you gone to the hospital?
Not yet.
Why? Hey, tell me something. What's wrong with you? You don't look happy too. Why?
Since last week, I've not had my menses.
You've not what? Hey, hold on. I mean, like, you're not dating and you don't have a guy to... Like how? When and why? Should you go to the hospital? Maybe that sickness is serious.
I'll be fine.
But since something is bothering you, why? Hey, tell me something. You're my friend and your problem is mine too. Tell me. Okay, fine. If you're not ready to tell me, when you're ready, just talk. I'll listen.
Why? Are you angry at me?
No, I'm not.
Okay, it's okay. Let's talk.
Okay, I'm listening to you. What's wrong with you?
I had an affair with your brother.
You what? Hey, hold on. Don't let me think what I'm suggesting is true. Just last 2 months that he came, you had an affair with him. Oh, I get it. So now you want to tell me that
I'm pregnant for him.
Yeah, you will be. When your mama. So have you consulted him?
Yes, he's aware of it.
Oh, okay, nice one. So what did he say?
He's even denying of it.
He would definitely deny it. This child that you are carrying, are you sure it's for my bro?
Yeah.
Just last 2 months, you got pregnant by my brother. Wow. Okay, for my small advice, I just want to tell you. You see, very soon, it's left to some 2 months. He'll be leaving this country. And you're aware of that. Please don't tell me that you don't know. I've already told you. And I don't think our parents, I mean, I and my bro parents won't accept this child. Even when they find out, they are going to get angry. And this can cause my brother to stop going to the US. So you have to abort it. I'm going to talk to my bro. And the final decision is that you are not going to carry that child. You abort it. You can't have a baby for us, please.
This is very dangerous.
See that? I've known so many girls who have done this and they survive. So you're going to survive, okay? Sure. Just smile for me. Smile.
This is very dangerous.
It seems you are getting very hot. Okay, let me get inside so that I can get you something.
Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things,
Hello, baby.
Hey, baby, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, you?
Oh, I'm also good. It's been a while.
Yes, and I've missed you already.
Ah, that's just sweet of you.
Thank you.
I don't know where you now.
I'm in the house.
Doing
Nothing.
oh, okay. So can we meet now?
You mean right now?
Yeah, at the same location.
Okay, where you told me about the other time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was going to buy something, so let me change myself and get back to you, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Then I'll wait.
Okay, see you there. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving you.
Babe, how was your night?
Just cool.
Mine was bored.
Why?
You hung up the call.
Oh, sorry.
When you didn't remember.
That's why I said I'm sorry. I think I fell asleep.
That's not the problem. So when are we hanging out?
I think we have to visit the mall this coming weekend.
This weekend.
Yes, baby.
This weekend.
Baby, please. It's getting to Christmas and you see, I need to go for shopping.
Okay. Let's make it this Saturday.
Okay.
Hope there is no problem.
Sure, there is no.
But first, I want you to promise me one thing, babe.
Promise you something. And what's that?
That you will never leave me.
Okay, fine. I'm not gonna leave you.
Are you sure?
I promise.
That's why I love you, babe.
Love you.
Such a nice girl, babe. I really like your hair. I think I have a chance to.
Tara! Jordan!
Oh my god.
Rumi!
Hey, bro. Rumi.
Baby,
Bro.
baby, please don't.
Hey.
Please wake up.
Bro.
Baby.
Rumi.
Rumi, please get up.
Rumi.
Baby, please wake up.
Why you white baby me?
Leave me alone. It's my babe, don't you know? He's the guy I told you about. Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this, baby. Baby, please get up. Baby, get up. Won't you help me send him to the hospital? Baby, please. Baby, please wake up. Baby, please.
Hey, Lumi.
Baby,
Bro.
please, baby.
Bro, wake up, bro. Lumi. Yo. Bro.
What have you done?
Bro. Charlie, this is serious. Bro. Lumi.